This is so creepy, I can't see a thing. Hey everyone! And welcome to this new video. I'm going to show you how I did this basic smoky eye makeup for every occasion and every eye color. And then I'm going to try on 4 different contact lenses from TTDeye. I hope I pronounced this the right way. And they're pretty crazy. I have completely insane colors, so stay tuned and I hope you're having fun. Alright, starting with the makeup part, I already put on some foundation and concealer, and first I'm starting to fill in my brows with the Benefit Brow Cream Gel. I'm using number 3 here. Then I'm starting with the eyeshadow using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and my favorite brush from Zoeva number 228. For the black, I'm using a black eyeliner pencil first, just adding a lot of black here and then using a BH Cosmetic brush to blend everything in. So this look is basically all about adding black eyeshadow or eye pencil layers and then blending them together, blending them really good because you don't want to have any hard edges. You want it all smooth, fading out into your skin. So yeah, it's a lot of work and you will get used to it, but it's also a lot of fun. Here I'm adding more eyeshadow and blending everything. Highlighting my brow as well with a bit of lighter eyeshadow. More black, of course. And more black. Then I'm using a silver eyeshadow to put in the inner corner of my eye just to highlight my eye a bit, so it's not only black, there's some lighter parts as well. Blending that in, of course, again, and adding another layer of black with my MAC Blacktrack cream eyeliner here. And blending again, blending. And then I'm putting on some false lashes because they really pull everything together, and I think it looks so much better with false lashes. Next, I'm going to contour my face with my NYX palette and a flat brush just below my cheekbones and at my jawbone. And then my brush broke. I don't know, it just fell apart. I kept on going and then my brush broke again. Never mind, just keep on going, highlighting the cheekbones a bit and then going to the lips. I'm using a Lime Crime liquid lipstick because they're so good, I love them. This one is the shade Raisin Hell. They just stay on all night. They're just really good. Last thing I'm going to do is setting everything down with a translucent powder. And then I'm done. Yay! Alright, now to the contact lenses. They came in a neat little box with various add-ons like these devices to put them in and get them out, and I'm not going to use them. I don't know, I just think they're kind of weird. I have my glasses, but on festivals and party times I do wear lenses with prescription. So I'm used to putting them in and out, and I'll just start with the first ones, and these are called Mystery Green. So they're super soft, and I do have my own technique. It's something you get used to when you wear contacts. So this is pretty intense green. I'm so not used to this. I kind of have a green blur at the side of my vision. They were super squishy and squiggly when I put them in, but after a few blinks they sit just fine. I do not notice them at all. Okay, next up is jolly blue. So from green to blue, let's see if it makes a difference. The blue one is in my right eye. I think it does not make that much of a difference. Fits together with my brown eyes in a more natural way than the green one. The pattern of the lenses is nice, but they are kind of lost in my dark eye, so I think they're nice on lighter ones, and if there is like sunlight, maybe then they'll be more intense. So next ones, I guess, I think I have some purple ones. This is crazy. I look like some maniac devil. They're called Lethal Radiation Purple, and they just erase my brown color completely. And it looks cool. I think so, at least. So the iris looks completely black, and then it's purple. I kind of love them. I think they're awesome. Next up are some completely white lenses. I can't see on that eye. It's just white, like a white wall. This is so crazy. So what will happen if I put both in? Then I'm blind? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, that's it, I'm blind. I just can't see. I see that there is a light and there's a light, but the rest is black. They're probably not really good for wearing outside or if you want to walk around. I saw that a lot of people used them for like Halloween costumes with putting only one lens inside and on the other eye no lens or another one, so they could see at least something, which I can't at the moment, which is kind of freaking me out. So this combination is better, at least I can see on one side again. Okay, that's it. I think they're pretty cool. I'm a bit disappointed from the blue contact lenses because you can't really see them on my eye. Yeah, now that I have 4 of these boxes lying around, I kind of wish they would send stickers with them to label the box on the outside so I would know what kind of lenses are in there. But other than that, I'm really happy with them. They're comfortable to wear. So my eyes are a bit stressed, they're starting to get red, but normally I'm not switching between 4 different lenses. I think the purple ones are my favorite because they look just kind of crazy. And I'm still a bit freaked out about the white one and all the blindness. Although they look pretty mean, I don't know. But yeah, I can recommend the lenses from TTDeye. I can also recommend their customer service, that was really good, so thumbs up guys. Yeah, if you want to try these lenses, you can use my promotion code. I'll link everything down below in the description box, and you can leave a comment and tell me about your experience with contact lenses, or tell me which was your favorite one I tried. So I hope you had fun. See you next time.